मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 8 देखने वाले हैं, विच इज़ अ लेक्चर 2 ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, नोवल सोसाइटी एंड द हिस्ट्री। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। In the Charlotte Bronte Jane Eyre, published in 1874, young Jane is shown as independent and assertive, while girls of the time were expected to be quiet and well behaved. Jane, at the age of 10, protested against the hypocrisy of her elders with a startling bluntness. She asked, "Tell her aunt, who is always unkind to her, people think you good woman, but you are bad. You are deceitful. I will never call you aunt as I live." Colonialism and after the novel originated in Europe at the time when it was colonizing the rest of the world. The early novel contributed the colonialism by making the reader feel they were part of superior community fellow colonists. The hero of Daniel Defoe, Robinson, is an adventurer and slave trader shipwrecked on an island. Crusoe treats colored people not as a human being equal to him but as inferior creature. He rescues a native and makes him his slave. He does not ask his name but arrogantly gives him the name Friday. The novel in South India. Novel began appearing in a South India language during the period of colonial rule. Quite a few early novels come out the attempt to translate English novel into the Indian language. O Chandu Menon, Sabdas from the Malabar, tried to translate the English novel called Henrietta Temple, written by the Benjamin Disraeli, into the Malayalam, but the quickly realized that his reader in Kerala were not familiar with the way in which the character in English novel lives. Their clothes, way of speaking, and the manner were unknown to them. They would find the direct translation of English novel dreadfully boring, so he gave this idea and wrote instead a story in the Malayalam in a manner of English novel book. This delightful novel called Hindu Lekha, published in 1889, was the first modern novel in the Malayalam. The case of Andhra Pradesh was speaking similar. Kandukari Virisalaningam began translating Olive Goldsmith Vicar of Wakefield into the Telugu. He abandoned this plan for similar reason and instead wrote an original Telugu novel called the Rajesh Khara Karintamanu in 1878. The novel in Hindi. Bhartendu Harish Chandra encouraged many members of the circle of poets and writers to recreate and translate novels from the other language. Many novels were actually translated and adapted from the English and Bengali under this his influence, but the first proper modern novel was written by Srinivas Das Delhi. Srinivas Das novel published in 1882 was title was Pariksha Guru, the master examiner. The character in the novel are catch in a difficulty of adapting the colonialism society and the time, preserving their own culture identity. The world of colonial modern city seem to be both frightening and irrecitable to the character. The novel tries to teach the reader the right way to live and express all sensible man to be wholly wise and practical. In the novel, we see the character attempting to bridge two different worlds through their actions. They take to new agricultural technology, modernize trending practice changes the use of Indian language, making them capable of transmitting both Western science and the Indian wisdom. But the novel emphasizes that all this must be achieved without sacrificing the traditional value of the middle class household. With all its good intention, Pariksha Guru could not win many readers as it perhaps too moralizing in its style. The writing of the Devaki Nandan Khatri created a novel reading public in Hindi. His bestseller Chandrakanta, a romance with a dazzling element of the fantasy, is believed to have contributed immensely in the popularizing the Hindi language and the Nagari script among the educated class of those times. Although it was apparently written purely for the pleasure of the reading, this novel also gives some interesting insight into the fear and desire of its public reading. It was rich with the writing of the Premchandra that the Hindu novel achieved excellent. He began writing in Urdu and then shifted to Hindi, remaining an immensely influential writer in both languages. He drew and traditional art of Kisa Goi storytelling. Um, Kisagoi. Many critics think that his novel Seva Sadan, the Abode of the Service, published in 1916, lifted the Hindi novel from the realm of fantasy, moralizing the simple entertainment to the serious reflection on the lives of the ordinary people and the social issue. Seva Sadan deal mainly with the poor of the women in a society. Issue like child marriage and the dowry are woven into the story of the novel. It also tells us about the way in which the Indian upper class use whatever little opportunity they got from the colonial authority to govern themselves. Novel in Assam. The first novel in Assam were written by the missionary. Two of them were a translation of Bengali, including the Fulmoni and the Karuna. In 1888, Assami student in Kolkata formed the Assamya Bhashar, an unnational Sadhan that brought out a journal called the Jonaki. This journal opened up the opportunity for the new author to develop the novel. Rajni Kanta Bardoli wrote the first major historical novel in Assam called the Manumati. It is set in the Burmese invasion story, of which the author had probably heard also from the old soldier who had fought in the 1819 campaign. It is a tale of two lovers belonging to the two hostile family who were separated by the war and finally reunited. Novel in Bengal. Many novels were located in the past, their character, event, and love stories based on a historical event. Another group of novels depicted the inner world of the domestic life of the contemporary setting. Domestic novel frequently deal with the social problem and the romantic relationship between men and women. The old merchant elite of the Kolkata patronized public form of entertainment such as Calibre Live at the home in a more private world of reading novels. Sometimes the household of the Bangla novelist Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay would host a jatra in the courtyard where members of the family could be gathered. In the Bankim room, a group of literary friends would to read, the discuss, and judge literary work. Bankim read out the Durgesh Nandini, his first novel, to such as gathering of the people who were stumbled to realize that the Bengali novel had achieved excellence so quickly. Besides the ingenious twist and turn of the plot and the suspense, the novel were also released for its language. The prose style come a new object of enjoyment. Initially, Bengali novel use a colloquial style associated with urban life. It is also use merely the language associated with the woman's speech. This style was quickly replaced by Bankim prose, which was the Sanskritized but also contained a more vernacular style. The power of telling stories in simple language made Star Chandra Chattopadhyay the most popular novelist in Bengal and probably in the rest of India. The Odia novel in 1877 and 1878, Rama Shankar Rai, a dramatist, began serializing the first Uriya novel. Dramatist. He was dramatist Sodama Sodamani, but he could not complete it within 30 years. Our Odisha produced a major novelist in Fakir Mohan Senapati. The title of this novel, Cha Mana Atha Guntha, 1902, translate as the sixth arc and the 32 decimal of the land. It announced a new kind of novel that will deal with the question of land and its possession. It is a story of Ramchandra Mangaraj, a landlord manager who cheats his idler and drunkard master, and I, the plot of the fertile land owned by Bhagya and Sharia, a childless weave couple, Managraj fool his couple and put them into his debt Mangaraj, so that he can take over their land. This path-breaking work showed that the novel could make rural issue an important part of urban preoccupation. In writing this novel, Fakir Mohan anticipated a host of writers in Bengal and elsewhere. Uses of novel, colonial administration found vernacular novel a valuable source of information on a native life and custom. Such information was useful for them in a governing society and with a large um, society, and as a outsider the knew little about life inside India household. The new novel in the India language often had a description of domestic life. They showed how people dress their own form of religious worship, their belief and practice, and so on. Some of these books were translated into English, often by the British administration of Christian missionary. India used the novel as powerful medium to criticize what they consider defect in their society and suggest remedies. Writers like Viresh Lingam used the novel mainly to propagate their idea about the society among the wider readership. Novel also helped in establishing a novel with the past. Many of them told thrilling story of adventure and intrigue set in the past. So glorified account of the past, these novels helped in creating a sense of national pride among their reader. At the same time, people from the walk of life could read novels so as long as shared a common language. This helped in creating a sense of collective belonging on the basis of this one language. We have noticed that people living in a different region speak the same language in a different ways. With the coming of novels, such variation entered the world of the paint for the first time. The way characters spoke in the novel began to indicate their reason, class or caste. Thus, novel made their reader familiar with the ways in which people in the other part of their land spoke their language. In many novels written during the colonial period, the idea person successfully deal with one of the central dilemma faced by the colonial subject: how to be modern without rejecting traditional, how to accept idea coming from the West without losing one's identity. Chandu Menon portrayed Indulekha as a woman of breathtaking beauty, high intellectual abilities, artist talent, and with an education in English and Sanskrit. Madhavan, the hero of novel, was also present in the ideal color and was a member of the new class of the Naya University of Madras. He was also the first great Sanskrit scholar. He was a Western world, but at the same time became known for fear of according to the Naya custom. Thus, they were different from the ideal of mythological character of earlier poetic literature of the Indian colonial. Many of the English educated class found new Western ways of thinking. But they also fear that the rules and adaptation of Western value will destroy the traditional ways of living. Factors like Indulekha and Madhavan show reader how Indian and modern lifestyle could be brought together in ideal combination. I spoke this lecture at in next video. We will study about the character of living. I hope you will like the video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe the bell, subscribe the channel and hit the like button so that